Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix an iPhone stuck on emergency SOS screen. Way 1. Restart or force restart the iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears and then release it. Way to reset network settings. Tap Settings app and then select General option. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your screen passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings. Then wait for the iPhone to restart. Way 3. Update iOS system. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Then you can check whether there is new update for your iOS. Way for Restore iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put it into recovery mode. OK, open iTunes. A prompt comes to tell you update or restore the iPhone. Click the Restore button. Click Restore and Update. Click the Next button, then just wait for iTunes to restore your iPhone to factory settings. Way 5. 1. Click to fix iPhone stuck in SOS mode error. iSenshare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system recovery software, which solve all kinds of iOS system errors, such as iPhone stuck in SOS mode. You can download and install it on your computer. OK, get iTunes installed at the same time. Now open iSenshare iOS Repair Genius. Click the System Repair option. Hit the Standard mode. Click the Start button. You need to connect your iPhone to the computer. It is better to make your iPhone enter recovery mode. OK, hit the Next button. See, your iPhone details are shown here. Hit the Download button to download the firmware package online. Minutes later, you can click the Repair button to fix the issue. When the software shows repair successfully, your iPhone reboots and get rid of the stuck screen. That's all for the video.